Instrumentation EEE tutorials, and today we are cover the third part of how to read piping and instrumentation diagram. So we have seen in our two parts some basic information of the P&ID, and today video we will talk about what are the walls symbols used and what is the meaning of the each symbols. So please connect it with us, and also please watch full video so that you can know the walls symbols used in P&ID. So let us start. Then we have categorized some walls which you can see. The gate wall, which is generally used normally close and normally open. So if you don't know the normally close and normally open, we will also talk about normally open, about on normally open and normally close. So what is the gate wall symbol? So now when the symbol is given like this way, the wall is simply known as normally open gate wall. When the wall is fully dark means it is not open, then it is called a normally closed. Okay, so it is actually changed. This is the normally open wall and this is the normally closed wall. Okay, so this is the simple. What is the meaning of the normally open and normally closed? So it is a simple meaning without any power signal or without any source, mean instrument here, hydraulic power or any electrical signal, it will be normally closed, means it will be closed. But whenever it gets signal or from the source, it will open. So normally closed meaning it will be closed until it will get some signal from source. So that is the meaning of the normally open and normally closed. Now the globe wall symbol is similar to gate wall, only difference is in globe wall there is one big dot is the center of the wall. So this is the symbol of the globe wall normally open. Okay, now the butterfly wall and check wall, these are the two walls which generally people are confused how they are, and this is the check wall. Okay, not big difference, only a simple difference is when you talk about the butterfly wall, the dot is middle of that n, and when you talk about the check wall, then the dot is the first upper side of the n. So this is the check wall, this is the butterfly wall. Now the most important rotary wall is wall. The simple meaning, the one wall is here and another wall is here. So this is the wall. This is the wall. This is the wall. Go. It is circle. This is the wall. Okay. So when we will see in a big, this is the wall. Okay. The next point is plug wall. It is also very important and generally used. So when we talk about the plug wall, just simple gate wall and the one this L type shape is attached, it is called plug wall. Okay, diaphragm walls. So you always try to learn new things. This is all the very important wall. So simply what you have to see, this is and this is. Okay, so this is the diaphragm wall. Some acetic and some other places where the complete shutdown is required and the direct contact with process is required. So diaphragm wall is used. Needle wall is meaning you have to just draw your gate wall and just put this type of needle, that it is called needle wall. Now angle wall, angle meaning, okay, not in this way, we have to draw this and we have to draw this and two lines is here. This is the angle wall. When wall type of angle wall, you can draw, this is the wall type of the angle wall, or globe type of angle wall, you can draw three-way wall. Three-way walls means your process may enter from here and it can go from here, or may enter from here, it can go from here, it can go from here. I mean, three-way direction is possible in a three-way wall. So these are the wall symbols. Now the control walls. We have seen about the wall body types. Now we will talk about the control wall types. So generally, when we draw some walls, gate wall, for example gate wall, and when we provide this type of symbol, then it is called the control walls. So you can draw some globe wall, or you can draw some, okay, so this is your gate wall. So this is the wall body. When you are replacing wall body, then it, and when you are attaching this type of single, then it is called the control walls. Control walls self-actuating. So what do you have to do? You have to just draw your gate wall and your control wall signal. Then if it is upstream and downstream, okay, you have to know that this is the upstream, this is the downstream. So when you talk about the downstream actuating, means your wall is actuating through your downstream, okay. But when you are talking about the upstream, then your wall is going to control by the upstream. So this is the meaning of the downstream and upstream actuating control walls. Now talk about the control walls with hand wheel. So what are the P&ID symbols? We will see control wall with hand wheel. So what you have to just draw your gate wall, control wall, and that's just simple. Provide this type of symbol, and it is called the control wall with hand wheel. Okay, so just draw your gate wall and put this type of symbol, then it's a solenoid operated wall. Just draw your gate wall and just provide M. This is called the motor operated wall. So these type of symbol are also used. So this is all about the wall symbols. Now talking about some flow elements are also used in your P&ID. So when we talk about the orifice type of flow meter, then the symbol is given this way. This is type of the orifice. When we talk about the ultrasonic, then it is simply draw, and this is the, when we talk about the magnetic flow meter, it is simply given M. And when we talk about pitot tube, then simply this is the symbol of pitot tube. Then anuvar, so anuvar is simply, this is the anuvar symbol. Venturi meter, so this is the symbol of Venturi meter. So these are the some symbol. And the last point is arrow lines for instrument and the process. This is also very important, because when you are going from one page to another page in your P&ID, then this type of symbol you have seen, but the meaning of this symbol is very important, okay. And also, okay, so this is the continuity arrow line. This is the continuity arrow line, okay. And this is the, this is also continuity arrow lines instrument signal. So when you have seen this type of symbol, this is instrument signal. For continuity arrow line, this is the process line. So these are the walls and other instrument symbols generally used in P&ID. So this is what the third part we have covered. In a fourth part, we will see the insulation and the tracing types are used and general abbreviations where AT and FT, CV, other symbols are used. So we will cover in our next part, fourth. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe YouTube channel and please like and also press the bell icon. If you have any doubt, please comment us, and thank you very much for watching this video till the end.